Hi there, students. To officiate. To officiate means to be in charge of a ceremony, of a function, to act in an official capacity. Yeah, so you might be the judge of a competition, or the referee, or the umpire. Or maybe the priest officiates at the wedding. Yeah, the person in charge of something. So the CEO is away today. Who's going to officiate at the meeting? Who's going to be in charge of it? Yeah, so this to officiate, this is to perform the functions of some office, the official, to perform the official functions. This referee had never officiated at a cup final before. To officiate at a wedding, yeah, to act in an official capacity. To perform the duties of an official in a position of authority. Yeah. So the judge officiates in the courtroom. The priest officiates in the court. Sorry. The judge officiates in the court, the priest officiates in the church or in the ceremony. The chairman of a meeting officiates in that meeting. The referee of a sporting contest officiates as the referee. Or maybe you've got a panel game. Or a game with questions, and somebody is officiating, asking the questions, keeping the score, and deciding if the answers are correct or not. Okay, and this is the idea of to officiate, to perform your official duties. The bishop officiated at the funeral. Okay, so to preside, to be the supervisor of, to control, to be the chair or the chairman, to manage, yeah, to preside over something. So in the ceremony, as the mayor presided in the ceremony, there was a ceremony to present medals to the soldiers, and an important general officiated. Yeah, and this is the idea of to officiate, to act in an official capacity. So let's see, to officiate, a regular verb. The judge officiated in the court. This priest has officiated at various funerals already today. Now, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this 6.57 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I think informally, to take charge, to be in charge of, to be responsible for, something like that, yeah? And then as to origin, well, the origin is clear. It's coming from official, which is a Latin root, officiatus, to conduct, to perform religious service, officium, an official duty. Yeah, so yeah, to officiate, to be in charge of an official event, of something more formal. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To officiate.